Good morning and welcome to the Australian Stock Reports online morning update for the 7th of February 2012. International markets weakened overnight amid mounting frustration over Greece's inability to hammer out a deal that will stave off a debt default. EU officials expressed dismay at Greece's reluctance to implement new austerity measures and reform its economy, two conditions that must be met in order for the nation to receive desperately needed funds. Greece is racing against the clock to strike a debt deal with EU officials and its creditors. The country is likely to experience a disorderly default if it doesn't secure funding ahead of a March 20 deadline for a major bond redemption. US stocks opened sharply lower on those concerns, but as they have done repeatedly in recent weeks, clawed back most of those losses by the end of trading. The Greek debt jitters weighed on the euro, which extended its losing streak against the US dollar into a third consecutive session. Greenback strength hurt key commodities, with gold, copper and oil suffering declines of more than 0.5% each. The Aussie dollar fell ahead of today's RBA interest rate decision, which is scheduled for 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time. The currency could add to last night's losses if bond market predictions turn out correct and the RBA cuts interest rates. Following an initial decline, the SPI found support at the 40-55 swing point overnight. That region proceeded a solid move higher, with the index still recovering more than 20 points from the session's lows. The late rush on the street is likely to have a positive impact on our market, which is set to open around 10 points stronger this morning.
Get free access to our daily reports and recommendations now. Visit australianstockreport.com.au/try.